In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add discount price on Shopify. First, log into your Shopify admin so you're on the main dashboard. This is your store's control center where you manage products, orders, and of course, discounts. On the left-hand side, look for the option labeled discounts and click on it. This will open the area where all of your existing discounts live and where you can create new ones. Next, click on the Create Discount button. Shopify will now show you several different discount types. For this tutorial, we're focusing on discounts that reduce the price of specific products, so choose the option called Amount Off Products. On the next screen, you'll see two main ways to apply your discount: a discount code, which customers type in at checkout, or an automatic discount, which applies on its own if conditions are met. In this example, we'll use a discount code. Make sure a discount code is selected. Below that, you'll see an empty field where you can name your code. You could use something like Black Friday 25 or any name that makes sense for your promotion. If you don't want to think of a name, you can use Shopify's option to generate a random code. For this tutorial, go ahead and click to generate a random code. Now, set the discount value. You can give either a fixed amount of money off or a percentage. We're going to choose percentage since that's very common for sales, and then enter 20 so customers will receive 20% off. Next, decide what this discount applies to. You can apply it to your entire store, specific collections, or specific products. For this tutorial, we'll apply it to particular products. Select the option for products, then click Browse. A list of your products will appear. Click on the product or products you want to include in this promotion, then confirm by clicking Add. After that, set your minimum purchase requirements. This might be no minimum at all, or you might require a minimum quantity of items or a minimum order value before the discount can be used. Choose what makes sense for your strategy. Then scroll down to schedule your discount. Decide when it should start and when it should end. This is useful for limited time promotions like weekend or holiday sales. Once everything looks good and you're happy with the details, click Save. Your discount is now active and ready for customers to use.